Welcome back. In this video, I am going to discuss about preparation of dinitrogen, then reactions of dinitrogen. See, atmosphere contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen. And remember, boiling point of the nitrogen and the oxygen are not the same, nor it's a freezing point also. So what you do is, first you cool the air which contains nitrogen and oxygen below the boiling point of nitrogen and oxygen. They liquefies. Cool the air becomes liquid. Now what you do is, you go for fractional distillation. Go for fractional distillation. Dinitrogen has 77.2 Kelvin as the boiling point. So when the 77.2 Kelvin temperature is reached, nitrogen goes out as nitrogen gas. Collect it. What remains will be the oxygen. Before this, the carbon dioxide etc. present in the atmosphere can be removed by passing the gas through KOH solution. Carbon dioxide is acidic, KOH is basic, will remove that carbon dioxide in the form of K2CO3. So that will not be there. So nitrogen, still you heat it, oxygen comes out. So from the atmospheric air, I can get the nitrogen as well as oxygen. Both can be obtained over there. Getting nitrogen or oxygen from air is the commercial method also. So, distillation of atmospheric oxygen or air. Oxygen boiling point is 90 Kelvin. When the 90 Kelvin is attained, oxygen also goes out, collected separately. Next one is lab preparation. In the exam, they may ask, explain the preparation of dinitrogen by lab method, commercial method. How do you get pure nitrogen? Such question can be there, or they may give some reaction and they may say complete the reaction also. In the lab method, what you do is, ammonium chloride should be treated with sodium nitrite. Sodium nitrite, not nitrate. Nitrate is NaNO3, this NaNO2 use dinitrogen gas along with NaCl and water molecule. This is aqueous, this is aqueous, NaCl aqueous, nitric acid. Equation is not balanced, you have to write the balanced equations. I think equation is balanced now. Nitrogen, 1 nitrogen here, 1 nitrogen 2, here 2. Nitrogen balanced, 4 hydrogen, 2 into 2, 4. Then Cl, Cl, Na, O2, 2. Student, please remember, This is an inorganic chapter. In the exam, if you don't write the balance equation, you will not get the marks for that. It is nothing but no need to attempt that question if you are not writing the balance equations. Remember this fact. 0 marks. When you are asked to write the reaction, balance equation is a must. Whereas explain, the explanation will get 1 marks, but not for the reactions unless the equation is balanced. Remember this. So this is the lab method. Ammonium chloride is treated with sodium nitrite. Note it down. During reaction, small amount of NO2 is formed as impurity, which is removed by passing through K2Cr2O7 solution. Note this. Certain amount of this nitric oxide or nitrogen dioxide will be there. You have to remove it. Otherwise, that impurity will be there along with the nitrogen. Remember? Pure nitrogen. And remember, pure nitrogens are obtained from azide. Like sodium azide Na(N3) or barium azide Ba(N3) 2 times. What do you do? Sodium azide, you heat it. I am going to get N2 along with the Na. Barium azide, you heat it, I am going to get N2 along with the barium. Equation is not balanced, you have to write the balance equation. This is solid, this is also solid. Write the balance equations. What is the balance equation here? Every equation balanced. 3 into 2 6, 3 into 2 6. Ba here 2 Na 2 Na. 2 into 3 6, 3 into 2 6. From next one is from ammonium dichromate NH4 twice Cr2O7. This is ammonium dichromate. NH4 plus Cr2O7 2 minus. So this goes here, this compound will be there. What do you do? Go for the thermal decomposition. Ammonium dichromate, you heat it. I am going to get dinitrogen plus water molecule plus Cr2O3. This is a gas. What is the balance equation? I think equation is balanced now. Take it, let's say like this. Among these, which cannot be used for the preparation of dinitrogen? A. Thermal decomposition of ammonium dichromate. B. Decomposition of sodium azide. C. Fractional distillation of atmospheric air. D. Something else. Or they may say all of this. Such question can be there in the competitive exam also. This is for preparation of dinitrogen. The property N2 is a diatomic molecule and it is gaseous in nature. It is a gas. Odorless, tasteless, means no smell, no taste. Non-toxic. Exist in isotopic form. What is isotopes? Element having the same atomic number but differ in their mass number, that is the isotope. Exist in isotopic form. 7 nitrogen 14, 7 nitrogen 15. Has low boiling point around 77.2 Kelvin, low freezing point. Next one is solubility is low in water or less in water. (23.2 cm³ in 100 ml of water. Only 22%, etc. will be there. (22.3 cm³ in 1 liter of water means 2.23% only will be there. Solubility, very less solubility. Melting point is 63 Kelvin for nitrogen. Note on this. See, nitrogen has N triple bond N. Bond order is 3. Higher the bond order, shorter the bond length, or lesser the bond length, higher the bond energy or bond dissociation enthalpy. So, breaking of this nitrogen bond is difficult. Means in the normal temperature, dinitrogen is less reactive. But the stability decreases with increase in temperature. So, higher temperature, they react with the metal, they react with the oxygen, they react with the hydrogen also, not in the normal temperature. That's why see there, 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, but we are not inhaling NO gas, we are inhaling the O2 gas only. But during the lightning, what happened there? Lightning provide the energy. Nitrogen react with the oxygen and gives nitric oxide. This combines with the water. HNO3 can be formed, but not at the normal temperature. So, in the normal temperature, nitrogen is less reactive, but as the temperature increases, reactivity increases. On heating, what about that? Higher temperature, they directly react with the metal and forms nitrides. Forms metal nitrides. Lithium plus N2, you heat it. I'm going to get Li3N. Not Li, this one, you say this is Li plus N2, use Li3N on heating. Write the balance equation. 6 lithium plus dinitrogen gives lithium nitride. Magnesium, now heat it with the dinitrogen. I am going to get Mg3N2. But again, you have to heat it. This is magnesium nitride. Now, next one is reaction with dihydrogen. N2 plus hydrogen at 773 Kelvin. What can be the product? Product will be the ammonia gas. Remember, this reaction is exothermic in nature. And remember, actually this reaction is reversible in nature also. So, to have a reaction in only one direction, if at all I want to get the ammonia only as the major product, then I have to alter the condition according to the Lee-Chatterjee principle also. Next one is reaction with hydrogen. Already mentioned, nitrogen is less reactive, normal temperature no reaction. So nitrogen when reacted with hydrogen gas and heated to 773 Kelvin gives ammonia gas. And this one is exothermic reaction with minus 46 kilojoules per mole as the energy released. And remember, this reaction is reversible nature also. So, if at all your aim is to get the ammonia, then you have to change the condition also according to Lee-Chatterjee principle. This is reaction with oxygen. Reaction takes place at a high temperature. Around 2000 Kelvin. What is the product? NO will be formed. Nitric oxide will be formed. N2 plus O2 gas gives 2NO gas. And again, this reaction is reversible in nature. Uses of dinitrogen. First one is used in the manufacture of ammonia. See, ammonia is the starting material for preparation of nitrogenous fertilizer like urea, ammonium sulfate, etc. So, ammonia preparation we are using the dinitrogen. From that ammonia, we may go for some calcium cyanamide, etc. So that we are using it. Second one is some requires inert atmosphere. That I can use this nitrogen, like in the steel or iron industry where we need this inert atmosphere. Liquid ammonia can be used as a refrigerant because boiling point is 77.2 Kelvin, very less temperature. Cooling. or to preserve the biological material also we can use it, because we are getting a very low temperature water. And as well as food items and cryosurgery also we can use it.